from Vegan Runner Mommy, and I am here today to do a baby gear review. And today it's going to be about the Diono Carus, C-A-R-U-S baby carrier. So I was sent this by Diono, just a heads up, disclaimer. They sent it to me to do an honest review, and I'm going to do an honest review. 5 minutes, okay? Ready? Here we go. This carrier, it's complicated. Not in a relationship sort of complicated way, it's just complicated, all right? First off, the instruction booklets, I understand that they need to appeal to many different languages, but it's like putting together something from IKEA. There was a lot of IKEA pictures and there's no words and I was so confused. And forget it, we're not even gonna use it. All right, there's just a lot of pieces, guys. There's a lot of pieces. There's this for the baby's butt, and it's got the triangles, and there's the fluffy triangles and the not fluffy triangle, and then you've got this to stick the baby in, the infant insert, and then there's all these different snaps depending on how big and how wide the baby is, and you gotta snap it that way. Then you got this that unzips in the front when you gotta do rear facing and front facing, and then you have to worry about this, that's the main carrier. Oh, it was just too much. Because as a mom, you're leaving the house, you're grabbing the kids, and this one lost his shoe, and this one can't find his other sock, and then you forgot the one kid inside the house, and whatever. Anyways, it's just, why do I need to worry about grabbing all the pieces of the baby carrier? And like, granted, it's not forever because, you know, the infant insert is only for a certain amount of time, and then you don't need it anymore, so we're gonna chuck that, and we're fine now. And then you still gotta worry about this and this, because if you have to face it a different way, you have to zip it back on. So then, it'll do some different things, which is cool. I will give it props for that. Here's your little hood insert, and it zips in here, and you tuck it in there so you don't have to worry about losing it. Okay, that's pretty cool. However, I prefer to mesh. We're in Florida. It's hot. It should be mesh, a little breathable. Just something I would say. Then, so you can do forward facing, okay? You're forward facing, and you've got facing you, facing out, which is great. Then you've got backpack, baby's on your back, which is cool too. That's great. But there's just so many snaps. There's so many buckles, and then this buckle, and this, and then this one unclips, and you have to replace it somewhere else. And then if you want to do another, are you lost? Because I'm lost. I'm a little lost. Yeah. So, and then this piece, you have this zip. Do I really want to be like, you know, going out of the house and I'm trying to grab the baby and the kid and then forgetting a piece? I don't really want to do that. Not really. So another thing that I'm not the skinniest person in the world, but I'm not too huge either. Something Diono maybe needs to work on with their sizing. This part here, you see this? This is where you snap it together on your waist. My waist, on my natural waist, where I would put the baby carrier, because I've worn baby carriers for all 4 kids, this is at the tightest setting on me. I still have a little bit of baby weight to lose. So, when that's gone, will I not be able to use it because it's gonna be too loose? Like, I thought that was a bit odd. Like, why is this not a little bit tighter? It seemed like when the carrier was made, it was made for maybe dads, maybe somebody that likes the complicated buttons and snaps and all that kind of stuff. It just wasn't, no, because I tried with another friend who also has 2 little kids, and I thought, maybe I'm just not figuring this out properly. What's going on? Because it took me forever to figure out how to use it, how to attach it, how to snap it, how to flip it around, how to unzip the pieces. It was a lot. It was a lot, it was complicated, and I honestly have used it once and was not a fan. The baby hated it. I'm being honest, guys. I'm being honest, okay? I love Diono. Love their car seats. They make fabulous car seats. I have 4 of them. This thing, not a fan, okay? So, sorry. I'm trying to be honest, and I'm being honest. I wouldn't use it.